मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त गुण मिळविण्यासाठी सततचा सराव खूपच महत्त्वाचा असतो. आम्ही बनविलेले व्हिडिओज जर आपण पुन्हा पुन्हा पाहिले व शेवटपर्यंत पाहिले तर नक्कीच त्याचा खूप फायदा होईल. आपण टॉप स्कोरर बनाल, कारण प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगल्यात चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.
Hello friends, it's chapter number 17, Clothes, our necessity. Question number 1. Write the names of those objects in the list below that you would like to own. 1. Water bottle. 2. Ball. 3. Marbles. 4. Laptop. 5. Flower pot. 6. Mobile phone. 7. Bicycle. 8. Scooter. 9. Photo frame. 10. Tiffin box. Which of these objects will you use yourself? Answer: 1. Water bottle. 2. Bicycle. 3. Tiffin box. 4. Marbles. Question number 2. Make a note of the clothes you would choose to wear on a traditional day. Answer: Punjabi suits are the typical traditional wear of the north. Sari, lehenga choli, skirt and choli, etc. are also based on such occasions. Anarkalis are traditional and party wear, so I would wear a heavy anarkali on traditional day. Question number 3. The names of some states are given in the table below. Write the names of the fabric or garments they are famous for. Into the table, state, fabric, garment. Maharashtra, feta, dhoti, caps, kurta. Gujarat, patola silk sari, ghagra choli. Punjab, silk sari, kafani, salwar kameez. Odisha, kurta, kati sari, turban, Sambalpuri sari. West Bengal, dhoti, Punjab sari, kantha sari, etc. Karnataka, chiffon sari, Mysore silk. Question number 4. Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. Why? Answer: Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills because due to humid weather on the island facilities the manufacture of long thread for making cloth. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. Question number 5. Name some saris from different parts of India showcase the diversity of our country. Answer: There are many types of saris from different parts of India. They are Lucknow chicken, Kashmiri silk, Banarasi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Ponchampalli, Narayanpet, Kanjivaram, Patola and Mysore silk are some types of saris. Question number 6. Aurangabad is famous for. Answer: Aurangabad is famous for Himaru shawls. Question number 7. What do we wear in the summer? Answer: We wear cotton clothes and white colored clothes in summer. We sweat a lot in summers. cotton is a good absorber of water. Thus, it absorbs sweat from our body and exposes the sweat to the atmosphere, making its evaporation faster. What kind of clothes do we wear in winter? Answer: we wear winter clothes, which are especially outerwear like coats, jackets, hats, scarves, and gloves or mittens, but also warm underwear like long underwear, union suits, and socks. Question number 9. Give reason. The clothes worn in different regions of the country are different depending on the climate. Answer: 1. On the earth, different climatic conditions are found in the different regions. People wear the clothes according to the climatic conditions. 2. In the hot regions, the climate is very hot, so people wear loose and light clothes. In South India, men wear lungi and women wear white sari. 3. In the cold regions like Jammu and Kashmir, people cover themselves more due to its climatic condition. They use woolen clothes. Question number 10. Answer the following questions. What clothes do we use during the monsoon season? Answer: in rainy season, it rains often. Therefore, to protect from rain, we wear raincoats, jerkins, gumboots, rain caps, etc. Question number 11. Answer the following questions. 1. What is meant by industry? Answer: an industry is a group of manufacturers or businesses that produce a particular kind of goods or services. Industry comes from the Latin industria, which means diligence, hard work, and the word is still used with that meaning. 2. Name some types of saris. Answer: Lucknow chicken, Kashmir silk, Banarasi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Pochampalli, Narayanpet, Kanjivaram, Patola, and Mysore silk are some types of saris. Use your brain power. Question number 12. Rohan and Sania have many clothes, but they do not wear many of them. Now they are wondering what they should do with all these clothes. Help them to solve their problem. Answer: they should give to the poor and needy people, or they can make use of it for other purposes like cleaning, making rugs, etc.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.